Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Cierra Semone, and I'm here to show y'all how to achieve this summery peachy makeup look that I did the other day that I fell in love with. Okay, enough of me talking. Let's get right into the video. So before I start my makeup, I have to put moisturizer on my skin. I just started using this Pond's Light Hydrating Cream for normal to oily skin types. And I only use like a drop. A lot goes a long way with this product. So now we're on to our brows. I like to brush my eyebrows out first. Oh, and now I have my handy dandy mirror, guys, because I wasn't close to my mirror and I recorded this in my bathroom. But yeah, I like to do my eyebrows first when doing my makeup. I know everybody's different, but I just have to do my eyebrows first, or I feel like my makeup won't look right. Everything won't be proportional if I don't do my eyebrows right. And since we're talking about proportion, my eyebrows are not twins. They are definitely sisters. After I draw on my brows, I use this Maybelline Fit Concealer in the color 35, which is Deep Fonce. As you can see, I'm only lining the bottom of my eyebrows. I don't go on top with concealer nor foundation. And that's only because I feel like my eyebrows look really thick when I line them at both the top and the bottom. So that's why I don't do that. But I do like to line them at the bottom because it makes my eyebrows look really sharp and precise. And as y'all can see, I use two different brushes and my fingers to really work in that concealer underneath my eyebrows. And I really just do that just to make sure everything is blending. And now we're on to foundation. So I like to use two different foundations, especially during the summertime because I have a tan. So the first one is my Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless foundation in the color 355, which is coconut. And then I also like to use my black Opal True Color in the color Beautiful Bronze. So this is probably like the most tiring part. Legit, blending is everything when it comes to makeup though. You have to blend or your makeup won't look right. So yeah, gotta do what you gotta do. So now I'm using my Ruby Kisses mineral powder in the color Honey Brown. I use this to set in my foundation and it makes it like seem like a finished look already, even though I don't have any finishing spray or anything like that. So I really love this product. Oh yeah, y'all, that's my nose ring hanging out my nose. I'll give you guys a story on that later. Now it's concealer time. In my hand I have three different concealers. The first one I'm going to use is my L'Oreal by Paris True Match Super Blendable Crayon Concealer in the color Medium Deep. I love this. I've had this for a long time and it just covers all your blemishes. And then I'm also going back in with that Maybelline Fit Concealer in the color 35, also known as Deep Fonce. Yes, honey, blend for the gods. Blend for the gods. I'm telling you guys, this blending thing in this makeup world is something serious. You have to blend if you want your makeup to look right, or you are going to look like a joke. Why was that jamming so hard though? Like, what? Now it's time to contour. As you guys can see, this is so old. It's all broken up. I'm using the Maybelline 360 Fit Me pressed powder in the color Mocha. I've had this super long. It's like I said, y'all can see it's breaking. I had to be very careful. I really need to just go get another one, but I never can find my color, so y'all, this is the GOAT, okay? Ben Nye Topaz Translucent Powder is the GOAT. I love this stuff. I live by this stuff. This is the only powder that I use. Yeah, like this is legit the best. It sets my makeup in so well and it just looks so finished after I'm done. Now I'm using my e.l.f. complexion brush just to brush the product in and to make sure it's all set. Yay, it's eyeshadow time. But before I get to my eyeshadow, I'd like to spray my brushes with my NYX matte finish spray, just to make sure that my brushes grab all the product. So I'm using my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette and the color Warm Neutrals. The only thing that I dislike about this palette, especially about doing this tutorial, is I'm realizing that there's no names for the colors. So I'm just showing y'all what colors I'm using. But basically, like, you know, I use my transition color and then I just worked my way up and just started to build the eyeshadow as I was going. I'm using my double-sided Pro Fusion brush, and I'm using the flat side of the brush to pick up this pink shimmery color in the palette. Now I'm going back in with this darker color that's next to the shimmery color. I'm putting that on the outside of my eyes, just to make them pop and to make them stand out. Time to apply these lashes. I'm using Ardell in the style 120 Demi Black. Now I'm going back in with that shimmery color, and I'm just reapplying that to continue to make my eyes pop. Let's bring out the setting spray. So I use this Boscia White Charcoal Mattifying Makeup Setting Spray. And when I tell you guys this is the best stuff, obviously you guys can tell because I have basically no more. But this is the GOAT, especially if you have oily skin. As I stated before, I have oily skin and this seems to be the only thing that works. So ladies, make sure you get this. Now back in with the second color that I used on my eyes, and now I'm just using this for my waterline just to make some color at the bottom and to make my eyes pop some more. No, this is no Rihanna Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, but this is the So Baked Bronzer by, I don't even really know who it's by, but the color is in 131 Hula. And when I tell y'all, I've had this so long and this highlighter has done the job for years. So I didn't want to do too much when it came down to my lips. So I just decided to use the basic, which is my chapstick, my liner, and my lip gloss. I'm using regular Burt's Bees chapstick, and I'm using the same eyeliner that I use for my eyebrows, which is the Wet n Wild eyeliner in the color Simma Brown now. And I am also using my Black Radiance Perfect Tone lip gloss. I don't know what color it is because you really can't tell what's on here anymore, but yeah, just know it's a pinky color and it's kind of matching with the lips. Yay, so this is the finished look, y'all. I am so excited how this look came out. This look plus this hair is just everything. Y'all see that smile? Yes, girl, work it. Yes. But I am in love, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this look down in the comment section below. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see next. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.